A huge target. The batsmen have to be right on song here today, firing on all cylinders to secure the match. Their fine set of skills. A good opening. Many pacer has been called into the attack now. Umpire puts his finger up and it's a huge celebration from the fielding unit. Yeah, looks like they're going to go up for the review. Yes, the batsman's going to have a look at this. He's decided to review. Some really clever bowling here. Ball struck him right in front of his leg. He's gifted away his wicket. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. A cautious beginning for the batsman. Looks like they mean business. A clever one that left no room for the batsman. Dot ball. Looks to slog this one between long on and long off for more runs. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw as well to the stumps. Batsman's off the mark with that single. The pressure seems to be building here for the batting team. The batsman presses forward in defence. A good variation there, forcing the batsman to defend once again. They get nada. Up goes the finger. Yeah, looks like they're going to go up for the review. A review is signalled by the batsman, then they go up to the third umpire. Out! Umpire puts his finger up and it's a huge celebration from the fielding unit. He's completely misread that ball. Unfortunately, he's gone for a duck. In comes a man who could carry the team to victory for the batting side. They change of pace. A fast bowler is now joined in. Fielders are all over it. No freebies whatsoever today. Well contained. A smart effort by the bowler. Excellent delivery. The batting side are no doubt getting frustrated. The batsman presses forward in defence. Powerful arm from the fielder. That's a direct hit. The batsman could be in real trouble. Have a look at this one. Does he make it in time? Yes, he does. Umpire says safe. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. Absolute textbook drive straight through the covers. Taken! Batsman's error. That was sloppy. Market a new player in. He should just stay there until the end of the innings. A cautious beginning for the batsman. Looks like they mean business. Get him on the Economic Council. He's being frugal. There's some slim pickings for the batting unit here today. Medium pace has been called into the attack now. The batsman presses forward in defence. Bang! That ball races away to the boundary. The batsman presses forward in defence. It's another dot ball in this over. The bowler will be pleased with that one. Steps out his front foot and defends that beautifully. There's no stopping that turf wrecker. 4 runs it is. Up goes the finger. Batsman looks really unhappy with this decision. The batsman has decided to review this. Well, he could have been on the front line there, the umpire. He's fired him out. That was sloppy. Well, if they're going to get a good total here today, he just has to anchor the innings. A leg spinner has come into play. Boundary straight away. Well, that message is sent loud and clear to the bowlers. What a sitter! It's an easy catch in the deep with the best compliments from the batsman. He's gifted away his wicket. I wouldn't have said his wicket's tumbling all over the place. In this situation here, he just needs to stay on and face the attack out. Well bowled. Nothing conceded. That's it. What a wicket! Out caught! What is he doing? Giving catching practice? Batsman has failed to score. In comes the middle order. Hopefully the new batsman can stabilise things. Beaten! Great line and length once again. No runs off that one. Bowler collects his dues and the batsman can't open his account. Yep, it's a duck, folks. Stumps have gone cartwheeling. I'm happy I'm not out there. A new man in. Time for him to up the scoring rate. The batting side are being bombarded by the continued leg side offence. Looks like he's sending a pretty confident message to the bowler. ball. No runs given off that one. We love to see this. Straight down the ground. A safe pair of hands from the fielder. He's gifted away his whip among the last to bat, but hopefully not the least. In comes the tail ender. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman has been deceived completely. Nice. Lovely way to finish off the over. And with that, I'll pass the torch. End of the over. From the batsman. Comfortable game for the victorious team in the end. Huge celebrations from them, and they deserve this very much. A breathtaking performance with the ball and bat. Truly the all-around man of the match.